I get this question all the time. Devin, what's the simplest way to set turnaround times for each production step without creating constant deadline stress? The easiest rule is this. Don't set one giant deadline for the whole video. Set a default turnaround for each step using baseline, buffer, and breach. Baseline is how long that step normally takes when the brief is clear. Buffer is the extra 25 to 50% you add for revisions, slow replies, or handoff delays. Breach is the point where the task is officially late and you make a decision instead of just hoping it catches up. For a beginner workflow, a good starting point is script in 24 hours, voiceover in 12 to 24, edit in 24 to 48, thumbnail in 12 to 24, and final QA, and upload the same day. The important part is consistency. If editing usually takes 36 hours, don't promise 24 just because you want the calendar to look tight. That creates fake urgency, bad revisions, and a stressed team. And if one step keeps slipping, don't just shorten the deadline. Check the input. Usually the real issue is a weak brief, too many revision rounds, or waiting on the step before it. If you want this to run cleanly, put those default turnarounds into Satura so every handoff gets a target date automatically. That's how you build realistic YouTube automation turnaround times without making every video feel like an emergency.